In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, you need to access background apps. In order to do that with tricky's navigation, click on this square button. Now click on floating windows at the top left corner and click on one of your apps that you wish to use in pop-up view. If you don't want to use any of those, click on this icon at the top right corner and tap on the plus one next to one that you wish to add. Like, for example, maybe Firefox. When you finished, click on Done at the top right corner and tap on your app. So when I do that, as you can see, I can use Firefox in floating windows. You can always move your app around by holding the top line and dragging it. In order to make it tiny, click on Home button. Then access it by clicking on it. You can always use your window overlay the other app by tapping on the other one and using both. If you wish to close your window, you can do that by holding the lower line and swipe it up, or you can also just simply swipe it in the background. If you want to use your app in full screen view though, hold the same lower line, but this time drag it down. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!